Aqua Huna. Is it Huna or Huna? Aqua Huna. Hey guys, Megan here with a new unboxing today. Because, you know, I love my American Express and my American Express loves me. So this is a new fish order from Aqua Huna. Huna. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we've got some new fish. Now I am actually just restocking a couple of schools. These aren't new fish for me in terms of aquarium, moving my water, but they are new to me for Aqua Huna, whatever. Let's open the box. So I ordered these on Friday of last week, and as of filming, it is Wednesday, and they have arrived via priority mail on the USPS. All right, and same thing as last time. I am going to switch to my phone so that you can see what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, so here is the inside of the package with live arrival guarantee. Why do I always have trouble getting these out? Let's just do this. Also, I'm doing this one-handed. It's probably easier if I did it with both hands, but these are the games we play. Okay, here we go. Here are the fish. And now I'm gonna gently try and open this big bag up. All right, first up, we have, so unfortunately, they are not labeled, so we have to remember what we ordered. Is there really, there's no packing list or anything. All right, let me pull up my order. So I think these are my pygmy cories, but I don't think they are. I think they might actually be emerald dwarf rasboras. Now, the picture of them on the website is vastly different than these guys. So I'm going to show you what they look like. So hopefully their color will come in soon. And also I don't see any dead guys. Now if you look, you can see the tiny little dots on their tails, and that's what gets me. You can see tiny little dots on their tails. Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see. So hopefully these guys are just stressed from shipping and will come into their color soon. I hope they're okay. Actually, I lied to you. I said first that these were all restocks, and the emerald dwarf rasboras are new to me. So we'll see how they go. Next up, autos. I lied. These are my pygmy cories, and that makes way more sense. Next up are my autos, my actual autos. These guys live with my pea puffers, who have surprisingly always really gotten along well with both my autos and platy fry I put in there because I had too many, and I was like, well, maybe nature will take care of this for me. And no, the pea puffers left the platy fry alone, and now they're all big. And shrimp. They don't eat my shrimp either. I have a very nice, very polite school of pea puffers who I got from Aqua Huna. Last but not least, I got a re-up of cooey loaches. if I can get them out. Oh, wow, look how big they are. Coolie loaches are great bottom feeders and are super fun. I have different loaches, different coolie loaches. Some of them you'll find that kind of look like snakes with their colorings, like they look kind of like diamondbacks or something like that. And some of them just have like a really like blushy look to them. These ones kind of look like they're in the middle of that. You can see that they have a little bit of stripy coloring to them. And yeah, I'm really excited for my coolie loaches because they have such cool personalities. I have one that loves to ride my snails all the time. Whatever, hitch and ride. So there you go. Coolie loaches, pygmy cories, autos, and emerald dwarf rasboras. I will let you know later on another video if the emerald rasboras have any color that comes in. Like I said, they're probably just pretty stressed from shipping, so we'll give that a shot. But yeah, that was my order from Aqua Huna. Huna, whatever. Have you ordered anything from them? This is my second order from them, and to this day, still really pleased. Now, if you've bought anything from them that you love, let me know, because who doesn't love a good new reason to go shopping, right? So leave a comment, let me know if you've bought anything from them that you like, and I will see you in the next video.